Jeep has announced that the 2021 Wrangler SUV will go on sale in India from the 15th of March 2021. The new 2021 Jeep Wrangler will be locally assembled at the brand's facility in India, allowing the SUV to be priced competitively in the segment. Ahead of its launch, however, Jeep has also announced the start of pre-bookings for the 2021 Wrangler model. Customers can book the 2021 Jeep Wrangler either online or at any of the dealerships across India, with deliveries set to start soon after launch. Jeep has also commenced assembly of the 2021 Wrangler SUV at its Ranjangaon facility in Maharashtra. The Wrangler will be imported to India as an SKD semi-knockdown unit rather than as a CBU. The SKD units of the 2021 Wrangler will benefit from lower taxation, which will be passed on to the customers. Once launched in India, expect the 2021 Jeep Wrangler SUVs to be priced substantially lower than the previous Rs 63.94 lakh ex-showroom India tag. The Made in India 2021 Jeep Wrangler will carry forward the same iconic design and styling of the SUV. There will, however, be a few new additional features and equipment on board. This includes a new 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Uconnect, passive keyless entry, push-button start-stop, leather upholstery all around, and premium soft-touch material on the dash. The outgoing version of the Jeep Wrangler is offered in two variants, Standard and Rubicon. However, Jeep is yet to announce the variant lineup of the 2021 version of the SUV. The company is also yet to confirm the powertrain options which will be offered. Having said that, we expect the 2021 Jeep Wrangler to continue being powered by the same 2-liter turbo petrol engine. It produces 262 brake horsepower and 400 Nm of peak torque and paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Thank you for watching DriveSpark. Like, share and subscribe to stay in the know of the latest happenings in the auto industry.